Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing about multiples and factors. In previous videos you learned the factors and its properties, multiples and its properties, and also you know how to find the factors and multiples of the number. Then in today's class we are going to learn about prime and composite numbers. Dear students, you know the natural numbers. So the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So these all are here what? The natural numbers. And also you know even number and odd numbers. See here 2, 4, 6, 8 means the multiples of 2 we are calling the even numbers. These are natural numbers. Natural numbers. Next, these are even numbers. Next, you know about this odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. All are odd numbers. Here dear student, natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4 which will come in naturally. We will not start with 0, 1, 2, 3. We are starting when I will say you to say natural numbers, then it will come in one flow, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they are natural numbers. Even number means they are the multiples of 2, and odd number means they are not a multiples of 2. Okay. See here the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the example for odd numbers, and 2, 4, 6, 8. They all are even numbers. So you know these numbers, but here now we are learning the prime numbers and composite numbers. Then what are these prime numbers and composite numbers? See here, already you know about factors. Factors means a number which divides the given number exactly without leaving the remainder. Okay. So then what are these prime numbers? See here, prime numbers means number which have only two factors, and that is 1 and the number itself. So let us discuss about prime numbers. Prime numbers. Yes, prime numbers. So see here, prime number, let us take one example. Take here 2, it is there in 1 ones a table and 2 ones a table. Let us take 3, and it is also there in 1 ones a table and 3 ones a table. Next you take 7, it is also there in 1 ones a table and 7 ones a table. Next you take here 11, it is also there in 1 ones a table and 11 ones a table. After watching these examples, what do you come to know? See here, a number which has only two factors. This all numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. See here, 1 and the number itself, 1 and the number itself, 1 and the number itself. This type of numbers we are calling prime numbers. I hope you are getting my point. See here, prime number means a number which has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So that this type of numbers we are calling prime numbers. Very important. And one more thing I would like to say here, that is 2 is only one even prime number. Okay, 2 is only one even prime number, and remaining all are odd numbers are there. No, they all are what? The prime numbers. Almost all odd numbers are there. No, they are prime numbers, but except 2. 2 is only one even odd number. Okay. So here this is about prime numbers. Next here one more number will come, and that is composite number. Okay. So I will write here composite numbers. Composite numbers. I will teach you together, then you come to know the difference between prime numbers and composite numbers. So here 1 and 2, again you take here 3, 1 and 3, you take here 7, it is then in 1 ones a table and 7 ones a table. So you know about now prime numbers. Then what are these composite numbers? So let us take here 6. Then tell me 6 is there in which one the table? It is there in 1 6 the 6, and again it is 2 3 the 6. So right here 1 1 the 2 3 and 6. 1 2 3 6. are the factors of 6. Again you take here 10, it is there in 1 ones a table, 2 ones a table, 5 ones a table, and again it is there in 10 ones a table. Again you take here 18, it is there in 1 ones a table, 2 ones a table, 3 ones a table, 6 ones a table, 9 ones a table, and again it is there in 18 ones a table. So after watching these examples, what do you come to know? See here a number which has more than 2 factors. Here they have only 2 factors, but these numbers have more than 2 factors. This type of examples, this type of numbers we are calling composite numbers. Prime number means which has only 2 factors, but composite number means it has more than 2 factors. This type of numbers we are calling composite numbers. See here. And one more thing I will clear you. See here, 1 is neither prime nor composite since it has only one factor itself, and 2 is only even prime number. Okay. So see here, 6, 10, 18 are there? No, they are composite number, and 2 is even only one even prime number, and 1 is neither prime nor composite number because it has only one factor. Okay, so one table is there in only one one's a table. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, I hope you understood this prime numbers and composite numbers. So let us take some examples. For that you need to know whether the given number is prime number or composite number. Okay, I hope you understood. I will revise once again. Prime number means a number which has only 2 factors, the number and itself. Composite number means which has more than 2 factors. 1 is neither prime nor composite, and 2 is only one even prime number. Clear? Then we will move to next. See here, I will take some examples and you have to tell me whether the given number is even number or prime number. So let us take some examples. Here I will take 12, I will take here 7, and I will take here 25. Next I will take here 19, next 18, next 10. Then tell me the given numbers are even numbers or prime number or composite numbers. So tell me, 12 is prime number or composite number? Yes, it is composite number because it is there in 1 one's a table, 2 one's a table, 3 one's a table, 4 one's a table, and 6 one's a table, and 12 one's a table. See here, this number has more than 2 factors, then the number is composite number. Okay, how you come to know this examples? Numbers. See here, composite number, not numbers, here only number. Then tell me 7. 7 is there in only 1 one's a table and 7 one's a table. So it is a prime number because it has only 2 factors. Okay. Then 25 is there in 1 one's a table, 5 one's a table, and again it is there in 25 one's a table. So 25 is a composite number. Composite number. Okay. 19 is there in 1 one's a table and 19 one's a table. Then tell me, it is prime number or composite number? Yes, it is a prime number. Next 18 is there. 18 has more than 2 factors, then it is also a composite number. 10 is again a composite number. So this type you have to write the composite and prime numbers. So let us see here one example from your My Practice Time 1, and that is list all the prime numbers between 1 to 50. So what is their question? My Practice Time 1, and that is third main. Yes, that is third main. Then see what is there. Write all the prime numbers between. Write all the prime numbers between. Prime numbers between write all the prime numbers between 1 to 50. So see here, write then all the prime numbers between 50, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. So this all numbers are there, no, prime numbers, and just check these numbers whether they are there other than 1 ones table and the given table. Means 2's factors are only 2, 1 and 2. It is there in only 1 ones and 10, 29 ones table. The 47 is also there in 1 ones table and 47 ones table. Already you know prime number means which has only 2 factors. So the given all numbers are there, no, they are the prime numbers between 1 to 50. See here, once again I will clear you. Prime number means they have only 2 factors, but composite numbers have no, they have more than 2 factors. One is neither prime nor composite and 2 is only even prime number. So these are the numbers are there, no, means 1 to 50 prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41 and 43 and 47. So this is all about today's class. See here, write the meaning of prime number and composite numbers and give some examples from that is there in your page number 109. So the definitions are there. What are prime numbers and composite numbers? That is page number 109. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.